Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you these wax melts for my mason jar wax warmer. Alright, so right here is my wax melt. This one I got for my mason jar wax warmer. It is the apple dumpling, which is warm apples, cinnamon, nutmeg, and gold pastry. It is super scented crumbles. It's great for tart warmers, filling your room around is safe, easy, and convenient. It smells really delicious, especially around the holidays if you're liking your house to smell like apple dumplings and some cinnamon. This is a great package to get, and it does come with 32 ounces, so you get more than enough to put in your wax warmer. These are universal. It can be used in any wax warmer. I have a mason jar, but they do have other wax warmers that you can use these with. All you have to do is stick them in. They'll melt just the same. These ones smell fantastic. If you love that smelling in your house to get rid of those old stinky smells and you like the cinnamon, I would highly recommend picking out these wax melts. It is super nice. You do get a lot of these cubes. In fact, it is 32 ounces, so you'll have more than enough to use it for a very long time. I highly recommend these ones.